Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 41 degrees, mostly sunny here in the valley on this Sunday afternoon. Do you know what time it is? That's right, it's taste test time. Today, I'm trying Nature's Garden Probiotic Strawberry Yoggies. Real fruit bites coated in creamy yogurt. If you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. The other day, one of my coworkers gave me this to try for a taste test video. Well, thank you. I really appreciate it. My coworker bought this over at the East Wenatchee Costco, a 30 pack for $13.99. And each pack is 0.7 ounces. This particular pack has an expiration date of November 3rd, 2025. Full disclosure, Costco is not a sponsor of this video. Nature's Valley is not a sponsor of this video. My coworker is not a sponsor of this video. And Cebovita Incorporated is not a sponsor of this video. Oh, I'm trying this for free. What a treat for me. Yeah, I should just start a whole network of people going out and bringing me things to try for taste test. Since no one's been a sponsor yet. mm. And it bag has 30 pouches. Pleasant strawberry aroma. Like strawberry yogurt. You'll play yogurt aroma. Little itty bitty cubes. Cheers, everybody. Whoa. Oh my. Mm. Soft, slightly moist, smooth. A strawberry, hint of apple sensation in there as well. Creamy yogurt, essence of vanilla. In terms of the texture profile, it reminds me of like a fruit by the foot, kind of a gummy. Well, that yogurt really complements the strawberry, makes it shine. I think this would be great. Have with some Greek yogurt or maybe some granola in the morning for breakfast, or just even on its own as a quick snack on your break. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be just by looking at the photo on the package. The strawberry is real strawberry, not that fake medicinal metallic aftertaste like some other products have. This isn't overly gummy or waxy. I really appreciate this yogurt texture. Great bite-sized portion treat. Just can't get enough. Wow. Fruit snack, fruit snack. If you like yogurt, I think you would like this. If you like strawberry, I think you would like this. If you like yogurt covered items, I think you would like this. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the probiotic strawberry Yoggies from Nature's Garden. I'll give this a solid 9.43. What a treat. See, just like that, one in the mouth and it's gone. Fresh, very. I appreciate they're not sticking together in the package. They're not smooshed together. Delicious without being overly sweet. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. Safe travels if you're heading anywhere. Ta-da. Woo. Thank you, coworkers. I appreciate you. Bam, 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 bam. Ta-da. I don't know what the name of that song is, that jingle, but the boss plays it once in a while. It goes bam, 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 bam. Ta-da.